Good day everyone and welcome to our healthy virtual cooking show. I'm your health chef, I'm Balingit from Saladmaster Lover. And as we promise you, we are going to prepare a healthy fried chicken without the use of any drop of cooking oil. So here's our Saladmaster healthy cooking system gadget. This is the Saladmaster electric skillet and we are going to fry a healthy fried chicken. So we season the chicken ng salt and pepper lang po. It's only salt and pepper and there's no cooking oil. No cooking oil means less cholesterol. It's healthy. Good for our body, good for our heart. Now, how are we going to start cooking the healthy fried chicken? We have here yung Saladmaster electric skillet. This is how we do it. So since this is electric, we operate it, we preheat the pan first. So there's a temperature settings dito at saka timer. So we're gonna set it at 230 degrees Celsius up to 230. And then there's this timer. So cooking fried chicken in Saladmaster will only take you 30 minutes. 5 minutes preheating time and then 30 minutes cooking time. Now we have here a preheated skillet already. Okay. So, why is our chicken healthy? Again, there's no oil. So, makakatipid po tayo na wala nang gastos sa cooking oil and good for our health. So, that's how we save in Saladmaster. Okay. Ito po yung chicken natin. How are we going to fry the chicken? Hindi po kayo matatakot. Walang mag-splat na cooking oil. But before that, to test if our cookwares is already mainit na ba, we're gonna put some water to test it. If there's a rolling beads of water, that means mainit na. Yan. If the water moves like a dancing pearl, we are ready to cook our chicken. So, how do you cook your chicken? Just place it on your skillet. Okay? May tumalsik ba? Wala. Safe na safe. Kahit mga bata, kayang gawin ito. Okay? So, the best part here in Saladmaster is, since we don't use any cooking oil, makikita rin natin na nagre-release din po pala siya ng sarili niyang cholesterol. So, we can be sure na healthy po yung kakainin nyo na fried chicken. So, sa Saladmaster, makikita mo, unti-unti pong ine-extract yung oil ng niluluto nating karne. You can fry, mamaya mag-fry tayo ng daing din. Daing na bangus, no? Anything with source of oil. Lechon kawali, ganun din po. Now, how do we cook this? So, there's itong kagandahan ng electric skillet natin, Pag po naka-close siya na ganyan, pwede tayo makapag-bake at pressure cooking. So, this is an amazing cookware. Marami siyang uses. So, pwede ka mag-bake ng cake, ng baked macaroni, anything na baked goods, close mo, or for pressure cooking. Now, for deep frying, if you want to make it more crispier, yung bland na yung balat, you just crack open the lid. You know, the concept is through the air. Okay? So, the air flows in and then the moisture goes out. Yun yung magpapa-crispy ng isang meat mo sa Saladmaster. So, in this case, I'm gonna crack open the lid because you want a golden brown, crispy fried chicken na lasa ay parang sa Max's fried chicken. Pero hindi ito nilagyan ng maraming herbs. Okay. Mamaya naman pala ay magluluto tayo ng, after cooking the chicken here, I'm gonna use the same pan. Okay, we're gonna cook a greaseless na pansit. 7 minutes lang po. So, ito yung mga sangkap natin. So, mamaya, iluluto natin sila. So, there's garlic, onion, red bell pepper, churro, and then pipad po, then celery, carrots, cabbage, and then yung pansit na panggisado. Pansit. Now, for our, for the daing na bangus, no oil. No oil. Just daing na bangus na minarinade po natin with suka, garlic, salt, and pepper. So, So, we'll be back after 15 minutes. Guys, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, after 1 minute, kung ano nang nangyayari sa kasalukuyan when you're using Saladmaster. Bakit good to sa atin? Ito lang naman yung nire-release ng chicken. Marami ng bad cholesterol oil na hindi natin kailangan sa ating katawan. So, imagine mo, no? We're just 1 minute pa lang. Imagine mo na kung hanggang mamaya, lalo karaming bad cholesterol oil ang tatanggalin niya. So, it's really good. It's really healthy. Alright, for our next dish naman po is Greaseless fried daing na bangus. Wow! So, the same procedure po sa electric skillet. Pina-preheat po natin ito. Again, how to check? Just drop it with the water. So, as you can see, there's a water beads dancing on your skillet. Now, we're ready to fry our bangus. Okay? So, here's the bangus. Here's our bangus. Una po nating ilagay sa ating pan is yung merong source of oil, which is yung stomach nila. So, yung ilagay natin. Nang natin siya. And then, we're just gonna close this. Half crack yung lid natin. And then set it for 230 degrees Celsius. Now, I'm gonna set it at 25 minutes only. Dahil mabilis lang maluto mo. For the first 15 minutes, yung isang side. Then after that, 9 minutes, i-flip na. Hanggang maluto po siya. Alright, so after 15 minutes, ano na yung nangyari sa ating chicken? This is fried chicken. Ayan, ang dami na pong oil na lumabas from the chicken. It is spitted out from the chicken skin and fat. Now we're gonna put the chicken. Look at this, it's golden brown and crispy fried chicken. Wow! Now, since we have the timer naman, okay, let's leave the chicken. Let's leave the chicken there, then crack open lid. Okay, as you can see, it's 15 minutes left. This will automatically shut off. Okay, the unit will automatically shut off. So there's no need to worry because it will automatically turn off. So walang masusunog. Safe po yung ating gadget na Saladmaster electric skillet. Now, if you happen to like this video, please do subscribe at Amazing Lutuan, my YouTube channel. And if you have any inquiries, please do visit my page, Saladmaster Lover by Balingit sa Facebook. And you can contact us at 0906-403-8402. Okay, what about our daing na bangus? So, ito actually, wala po siyang masyadong oil po na i-release. Pero, what's the best thing about this is, even if you don't put some oil, kung health conscious ka talaga, magre-release pa rin siya ng natural oil niya kahit pa paano, kahit konti lang. And, ito na lang niya yung sarili niya. So, as I flip it, there's my daing na bangus. So, if I want to eat fried bangus, it's gonna be like that. And then, just leave it. So, for another 10 minutes po. So, kanina, no, 25. So, 15 minutes dun sa unang side, and then 10 minutes on the other side. And then, just leave it. And then, you can eat it. Isn't that healthy? Isn't that great? So, these are good source of protein. And no more or less na lang ang ating cholesterol. Don't forget, healthy eating means wealthy life, healthy body. Alright mga friends, let's check it out. Tapos na ang ating greaseless fried daing bangus. Ready your tummy! So nakita niyo po, no? Ganito po sa indicator, no, kapag naka-auto off na. That na lang siya na kulay red. And then just unplug the skillet. Okay, we are going to transfer it out. Okay. So, here's the daing na bangos. Nakita nyo, walang oil po dito, no? Walang oil. Ang nirelease lang po na oil is coming from the chan ng bangos. This is our healthy, perfect, greaseless daing na bangos. And in about 1 minute, matatapos na rin ang ating chicken. 1 minute left na lang po. After nung chicken, papakita ko yung na-extract na bad cholesterol oil from the chicken, and then we're going to use the same skillet. We're going to cook a greaseless 7 minutes pansit. Alright mga friends, our chicken is done. Tapos na rin ang ating greaseless fried chicken. Here we come! Wow! Okay. So as you can see, it's golden brown, crispy fried chicken. See? Grabe, sarap yan. Crispy. And the taste is also yummy. Mamaya taste test tayo. Dami pang oil na nilalabas. Wow. So imagine cooking lechon kawali, crispy pata, and everything. Your steak, healthy, golden brown. And titignan natin kung ito ba'y nag-dry or moist pa din. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko naman po ngayon is 7 minutes pansit. For our next part is we're gonna drain the oil from our skillet. And I just want you to see the oil that was extracted from our chicken na hindi naman natin kailangan. Papasok kasi yan sa artery oil at artery wall, no, as plaque. Now what I'm gonna do now is, as you can see, meron mo dito yung mga ibang flavor ng chicken na iwan sa skillet. Gagamitin natin as flavoring for your pancit. Now how do we cook our pancit? So again, you're gonna set the electric skillet yung 230 degrees Celsius. Sa Saladmaster, tambak lang ho ng ating ingredients. The garlic, the onion, the celery, the carrots. Let's put it all together, pati po yung ating red bell pepper. Just put it there. And then put the noodles. And then we also have cabbage. And then the pansit. Okay. Binabad lang namin ng tubig kanina to. Yung ating noodles. And yung pinaka-last natin is yung ating oyster sauce. So, actually, if you want to put some salt and pepper, kami hindi na. It's just oyster sauce. Flavoring. Hindi na tayo nag-add ng water kasi yung vegetable, kaya naman yung mag-extract ng water. So, all you need to do is ganyan magluto ng pancit. Ka-easy. 230 degrees Celsius, 7 minutes. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's easy. 7 minutes, 230 degrees Celsius. Dump it and leave it, and then later you're gonna enjoy it. So, tingnan natin siya. Alright guys, 1 minute left, pero gusto ko nang buksan na ating greaseless pancit. So we can mix all together the ingredients because this is done already. Alam mo ba, mga food sa Saladmaster, hindi lang masarap, mabango ho. Mabango yung nutrients, nandyan lahat. Kakainin nyo. So sa iba po, masusunog lang yan. Pero sa Saladmaster, nag-moist pa yung ating pancit. So, up to if you wanna season this with salt and pepper, soy sauce. In our case, ganito lang ho kami, pero malasang-malasa na ho yan. At luto na po ang ating 7 minutes pansit. So, this is also your serving ware. Isn't this amazing? So, may init pa ho yung ating electric skillet. Kahit na naka-off na ho siya. Yung paganda ng Saladmaster, nananatili yung init niya. Okay? Just open it when you want to eat it. Okay? Now, I want you to see yung chicken. And yung bangus. Because we're gonna taste it. And we're gonna check kung meron bang dugo yung manok o perfectly cooked ito. Kung totoo bang golden brown at crispy. Yan. So, wala po siyang dugo. And we're going to taste this one. We're gonna taste the chicken. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Juicy pa rin po siya. Okay? So now we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste the chicken. Para sa inyo po to, guys. Anong lasa ng ating chicken? Ketchup na lang ang ating kulang. Pero kahit na walang ketchup, malasa daw. This is for you. Kain na tayo. Cheers! Salty, crispy, sarap. Para kang kumain ng Max's fried chicken. So, kung ang hanap nyo ay chicken sarap, lutuin na natin sa Saladmaster yan. Kasi, no more this. No more cholesterol oil. No more using lots of oil na gastos lang. Tapos magkakasakit ka pa. How about the bangus? Pero ang sarap ng chicken. Gusto ko pa. Para sa inyo. Isa pa. Sarap. Kids will love this. Next is our Daing na bangus. I'm gonna eat this. This is boneless though. So here it is. Greaseless Daing na bangus. Guys, sobrang sarap. Crispy outside, juicy inside. All the nutrients, yung flavor, intact po. Sobrang sarap. You gotta try it. You gotta try and love the Saladmaster way of cooking. So again, thank you very much. Here's our pancit. 7 minutes. Okay? Yung flavor po niyan, lasang chicken. Here's the fried chicken. All done in 37 minutes. 30 minutes cooking time for the chicken, 25 minutes for the greaseless Daing bangus, and 7 minutes for our pansit. Yayain na ang buong pamilya at kain na tayo. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye. Happy cooking. It will really boost your immune